Back-office operations ideation drives using analytics. Contents. What is analytics? Which kind of questions are addressed by analytics in a back-office team? Which are the typical tools used in analytics? Examples of analytics ideas in back-office operations data and voice. Suggestions for analytics idea generation in back-office. What is analytics? As per Wikipedia, analytics is the systematic computational analysis of data or statistics. It is used for the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in data. It also entails applying data patterns towards effective decision-making. Most of the business users get confused between automation and analytics ideas. Let us now take a minute to understand RPA, automation. The simplest definition of RPA, automation, is a computer program or macro which can replace a human performing repeated rule-based task. For example, copying and pasting, filling in forms or applications, moving files and folders, opening emails and attachments, etc. Even an Excel macro can be classified as an automation. Now that you know a way to distinguish between an analytics and automation idea, let's learn more about analytics. Which kind of questions are addressed by analytics in a back-office operation? 1. What's happening in my business? Descriptive analytics, daily reports, dashboards, etc. 2. Why did it happen? Diagnostic analytics, root cause analysis. 3. What will happen? Predictive analytics, predicting incoming volume, predicting the chance of a quality error by an associate. 4. How can we make it happen? Prescriptive analytics, emails indexing, matching records from two files, image processing like extracting information from files and using it for further processing, translating handwritten text, etc. Which are the typical tools used in analytics? Python, R, SAS, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, AWS, Excel, Mathematica, Azure, Ruby, MATLAB and many more. All these tools have their own usability and the choice depends on many factors like pricing, business requirement, accessibility, etc. Examples of analytics ideas in back-office operations data and voice. Let's look at 20 examples. Example 1. Descriptive analysis of business metrics like NIGO versus IGO, claims conversion rate, pending premiums, collections recovery, etc. This will give a view to track pain points and may lead to further transformation ideas or interventions, be it analytics, automation or process re-engineering. Example 2. You are in charge of AML checks on transaction carried out by your customers. Analytics can help you prioritize your work by helping you classify the cases and sorting out the probable high-risk cases in ascending or descending order. Example 3. You are in charge of planning shifts for your team. You can use analytics to predict workload by using statistical forecasting methods like ARIMA, etc. Example 4. You have brokers who give you business or you have had customers who are scheduled for paying premiums. You can perform segmentation analytics on your customers or brokers for performance tracking. Your target population can be divided into groups statistically, thereby helping you to customize your actions for each target group. Example 5. You are in charge of quality audits. The current sampling volume is high or it is not efficient. You can predict the probability of an error happening on a case through analytics, and that can complement your quality effort. Example 6. You process claims requests and spend a considerable amount of time on verifying each claim, which takes a lot of time. You can predict the likelihood of a claim getting rejected based on similar past experiences without even going into details. Example 7. Analytics can help in improving receivables for an insurance service provider by AR profiling. Example 8, you process new quotes and some of it are likely to convert into policies and some get rejected eventually. You can choose to predict and prioritize proposal requests that are likely to convert, thereby improving conversion rates. Example 9, you can use prescriptive analytics to match values across different systems like the reconciliation of trades between different databases or applications or files. Example 10, you can analyze relationship between different SLAs and how changing one can impact the other. For example, you can increase the occupancy rate of a contact center by changing the SLA tolerance of average handling time, speed to answer and service levels. Example 11, predict the NPS and CSAT on a live call based on past interaction experience with the customer. Example 12, interaction analytics for contact centers using speech-to-text conversion for further analysis. Example 13, image-to-text conversion for further analysis or inputs to a RPA tool. Example 14, analysis of audit trail left behind by bots, macros. Example 15, you receive a case in email boxes and have to keep track of allocations or follow-ups. Example 16, identifying duplicate cases from emails, attachments, files in folders, etc. Example 17, you can use analytics to hire people based on understanding of attrition data, recruitment data, etc. Example 18, assist bots where they need information from unstructured forms or data like documents with varied formats, orientation or resolution. Example 19, analysis of the large volume of comments captured as free-form text. Example 20, knowledge bank with intelligent keyword-based voice or data search options. Suggestions for analytics idea generation in backoffice. 1. Look into the work you do. Understand the entire upstream and downstream process. 2. Understand each and every step you perform and how it affects the downstream processes. 3. Think how you can improve or transform the entire process. 4. Don't focus on how it will be done, instead ask what benefit it will bring. 5. See if your idea relates to anything descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, or prescriptive. If yes, call it out as an analytics idea. 6. If in doubt, consult your supervisor or ideation expert. 7. Try to figure out a way to quantify the benefit you will get based on the changes proposed in the idea. It will be easier for you to prioritize your ideas. Good luck ideating.